As the doom fruit passes through the elephant's digestive system, it softens and breaks up. This means the baboons can easily pick out the nutritious seeds. It's by no means five-star dining, but in hard times, everyone adapts to survive. Malka has done well so far, but the family has devoured anything they can here. She must now seek new sources of food for the group. That means heading back out onto the plains, away from the river. It's a risky decision. There is some thorny nourishment, but the only reliable water sources out here are a few isolated springs.